This is Mithun and you're watching Technical Mithun YouTube channel. If you're not yet subscribed my channel, please click the subscribe button and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the latest update of my videos. Every YouTubers have a fear in the music copyright of YouTube. So today I will going to show how you can use the legally music without any copyright issue. Okay, follow my steps carefully. You can use the music in your video. Okay, and you will not get any copyright for that music. So let's get started. First open the YouTube, then type NCS music. NCS music, then search, click for the second one, that is no copyright sounds. Then there is a lot of music. Choose the which music you want in your video. Okay, I'm going to choose the first one. Okay, this music I want to use in my video. How to use, I will going to tell you. Okay, see the description and read it carefully. They already written you can use it for free without any copyright issue, but you have to give a credit for this song. Okay, how to give a credit, I will going to tell this in this video. Watch the full video, otherwise you will not get to know how to give a credit for this song. Okay, this song I am going to download one. See, for that downloading you have to need one app, that is a vidmate. Okay, if you're not, it is available in the Play Store and I'm given link in my description. See this one app, vidmate. Okay, then first download the music. Okay, first open the YouTube. Okay, wait, then I will search NCS music, click for the second one. Now I'm going to download the music. Okay, this music I want in my video. Click for the share, then click for the copy link. You will get a download option. It will directly redirect to the vidmate. Okay, I'm going to click that one. I'm clicked already. Okay, this takes me the vidmate app. Okay, directly. Then click for the download one. Click for the last one. Don't click for the music MP3. How to download another app for that. Okay, click for the last one, then download. See, I am going to download this one. See, now I am going to tell how to give a credit for this music. Okay, you have to give a credit in your description of the video. Okay, for giving credit, click for the description of the music, then copy this one. Okay, every music have this one. Okay, then just paste it in your description of the video if you used any music of the NCS related. Okay, otherwise you have to not give any credit. If you particularly use the NCS music, then you have to give a credit. Okay, just paste in your description. That's it. You will not get any copyright for that music. You can free to use them. Okay, thanks for watching. So guys, if you're not yet subscribed my channel, please click the subscribe button and subscribe my channel, and also do share my video.